Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, we're going to discuss if the iPhone 10 or the X is still worth it going into 2026. We're going to talk about a quick overview, anything you can expect from this device, the battery life, and then overall performance of this device going this year. So first thing is quick overview on the iPhone 10 here. It was released back in 2017 of November, so it's already 9 years later this year. It's going to make a full 9 year, which is surprisingly quite a bit of an age for a device, especially when it comes to smartphone. You're here, as you can see here, it's a 5.8-inch display, really nice and small. It was the first time Apple went to full screen display, which was kind of the first time we've seen it from Apple, from removing the home button and some of the more iconic features that were available. Now, other things you'll notice about this device, it has a 212 megapixel back camera. Back glass is actually a glass here. You have the lightning charge and your speakers here. It does have a physical SIM card here, unlike some of the newer models in the US market. And then a 7 megapixel front camera. And then this display we have is a Super Retina HD OLED display. So quite a feature for this phone back in time. In terms of the actual hardware, you're looking at an A11 Bionic chip with 3 gigs of RAM inside of it, which again is quite decent for, again, in its time. But how is it performing now? Well, the other thing you probably are concerned about is the battery life. So if you take a look at the battery life on this device, not going to be the greatest battery here. You're going to get about possibly 8 to 10 hours depending on your usage, maybe a little less if you're a heavy user. Now, the other thing is going to be the software on this device. So if you go into this software and try to go ahead and update it, you can't update it past iOS 16. You can update security updates that come out, but anything after that, you won't get iOS 17, 18, or iOS 26. So almost 3 iOS major updates behind. And although apps still work, there are certain apps you can't download on this device, especially things like the banking apps. Some of the apps that require higher security will not download and install on this device. But most social media apps will work. Most of the gaming works, but higher end gaming 3D ones, most likely you're going to feel that slow or lag going on with this phone. Now, this phone, a couple things here in terms of some of the good things about it is it's a decent backup phone, I would say, if you need something. Now, it doesn't have 5G, so if you're looking for 5G compatible device, this is not going to be something. So you're going to miss out those 5 modern feature for more cellular updates if you're looking for 5G. Other things it does good is, again, like I said, the basic stuff, like if you're for backup phone calling, texting, browsing, all of that comes in handy. Most of the social media works. Music, you can also play music. Video streaming still works. And when it comes to gaming, again, the gaming is like you can only do gaming with like games that aren't heavy on graphics. If you're looking at graphic one, you're probably not going to be able to get it. So overall, what's our opinion on this? Is it worth it? Again, for the price point, it's only worth it as a backup phone. If you're looking to get it, you probably want to get something with the iPhone 13 or newer in 2026 to give you that buffer, to give it a couple of years and get all of the performance of an iPhone. But again, this phone, if you really are pinching down and are on a budget, you might be able to get it pretty cheap. Apple doesn't sell it any longer, so you're probably going to get it from Amazon, eBay, or from a third party that will sell it. But again, that's our thought on the iPhone 10. Want to hear from you. What's your thought on the iPhone 10 going into 2026? If you have been using it, used it, upgraded from it, leave it a comment in the comment section, and we'll catch you in the next one.